In this video, we're going to cover how to resume the file transfer in the event of a stoppage by your computer getting turned off, or the FTP software crashes, or basically anything else that would halt the transfer before it actually completes. So let's go ahead and open up Filezilla and log into our server. And just a quick reminder, on the left we've got our local or the computer, and on the right we've got the remote or the server area. And I'm just going to use a quick connect here to connect to our server. And I want to scroll on down here, find me a decent sized file, go into public HTML, and where we got one here, I think I got one about 10 megabytes in size. Yeah, here we are. And I'm going to put that right here in my working folder on my desktop. And let's go ahead and right click and then left click on download. Hum da hum da hum da hum, everything's going fine and dandy, birds are chirping, great day outside. Then all of a sudden, bam, something happens and my site crashes, or the computer goes off, or Filezilla crashes. Whatever the case, something bad happened. So I need to reopen after I get everything else kind of fixed and whatnot. Go ahead and reopen my Filezilla. And now if it were a small file, no big deal. Just go ahead and start it over again, right? But what if it's a large file, 100, 200 megabytes in size or larger, and it was, say, halfway done? Rather than having to go through the process of downloading it again from the beginning, go ahead and log back in. And one of the key items here is to make sure that you're on the same area in the local as you were prior to the crash. Go ahead and log back in here. And of course you want to be in the same area on the remote, which is kind of goes without saying. Come on down here, find that file again. And you can do this a couple of ways actually. You can just go ahead and right click here and then left click on download, and it's going to recognize that, hey, it's already there. You come on over here and just click on resume, click on OK, and it will pick up where it left off at. Or crash again, darn my luck. Let's go ahead and go on back and open up Filezilla again. Let's go ahead and log back in. And another way where you can just do it automatically rather than that two-step process where that one screen popped up asking us what do we want to do. Well, we can kind of eliminate that one step by coming up here to Edit, go into Settings, come on down to Transfers. And if it's not expanded like this, just hit the plus sign and it'll open up. We want to go to File, Exists, Action. And right up here on Downloads, Ask for Action. That's that box that popped up. And Upload, same thing happens there. For downloads, come on down here, and basically you're removing that Ask for Action box, and in place of it, Resume File Transfer. And again, you can do the same thing for uploads as well. Click on OK. Now then, let's go ahead and resume by going to the same location we were. I think we're at about 60% done here or so. Open that up, navigate to the location of that file that did not get finished, and right click and download, and it picks it up right where it's left off at. So those are the two different ways in which you can resume a file transfer in the event it kind of crashed midway through. That's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.